What up, YouTube? I'm gonna do a little video here, recap, box break. Let's see here. So, I'm gonna bust open a pack of Prism here. Let's see. All right, so. Boy, this lighting, okay. Matt. Is that, okay. Andrew. Got some shinage. Man. That's the second one I pulled of him in this pack. Let's see, Kyle Stowers. Is that an auto? Bam. Alright. I don't know if every pack has an auto, but every pack that I've pulled. Do we got... What? Dude, I kid you not, man. Really? Alright, this was just this one pack I opened. Andrew. So... this one is not numbered. Anyway, so 3 Andrews. And you can see my setup, right? No. There was somebody who Fire Hands, whatever that guy. I used to follow him in the past, but he pulled so much of this Bills running back in the day. Pulled so many of them. He goes, man, I might as well PC it. So, anyway, so I went to the Philly show. It was awesome. Went through the bargain bins. That was, I think, my first time going through a bargain bin. And I picked up this card. If this doesn't scream my childhood as far as the hobby goes, then nothing does. But there was a poster on the wall in the hobby shop in Florida. Picked this up. Why? I have no idea. Got it for $1.50. So I have no idea why I bought that, but got this for A Song and a Dance. I watched him a lot on the TV. He just, every time I turn on the TV, he'd happen to be playing. Picked up a PA card in the Philly. I'm not showing all my cards from the Philly show. I just grabbed some random ones. Come to find out, he's from Baton Rouge. I got this right here. Numbered to 99. Alright. Bought, what did I buy? One pack of Elite, I think. And I got this. And this. Then let's see. I bought 2-pack. No, I must have bought. Yeah. Then I think I bought 2 packs of Prism. I think what? And I got these 2 guys. This is not all the stuff. I'm just kind of grab random. Thanks, Bob, for hooking me up with some deals. Got some cool wide receivers. Local guy, right? I got sucked into this. There's way too many people saying, like, this guy is going to be real good. And everybody's like, yeah, pick up one. So I picked up one. So I'm just hearing way too many people. Picked up a Yankee. Got some more Yankee stuff coming in. So let's get on with the box of triple threads. Alright, in no specific order. Alright, I just open it up and just going in order they came out of the pack. So, Paul Goldschmidt, Bertani, there's a Mets, numbered 18. Syndergaard. And a Cubby, numbered 36. Ramirez. And a Strasburg. Cool. Cool. Yeah. People are going to disagree with me, but whatever. You know, tell you the truth, I actually like both the Yankees and the Mets. So, yeah. I wouldn't make it alive in New York, right? So, on my honeymoon, we went to the Mets game and saw David Wright hit a home run. So that was cool. But yeah, I like the Yankees and the Mets, to tell you the truth. So, alright, we got a Bryce Harper base. And Don Mattingly. Al Kaline. Number to 27. I haven't heard that guy before. Oh, got a Eckersley. It's cool. Another Ohtani. And a Gwynn. Alright, so that will do it. Not too shabby. Alright. Stay tuned, because I'll bust open a hobby box of that. Alrighty.